to go over tick pulse and setting up automation. In general, this is the way we set up automation. If you're automating a strategy and you get disconnected or you add contracts, you change any of the settings, you might have to, I want to make sure you answer the questions correctly. So I'm going to turn off automation on this strategy, and this is tick pulse, and you see it's turning it off. And so automation is off on this strategy, but I still have a position on in this strategy long, and I'm going to turn automation back on and show you the questions that it asks. So automate, and I use account confirmation off, and I agree to that, and I say okay. And then what happens, this green button comes on, and you get this question right here. I multi-monitor, so it goes in the other monitor. Exit this position. So your initial response might be to click this first button, because no, you don't want to exit the position. You're long, and you turn automation on, and so you want it to be in sync with the market. And so you go through this, and you say, oh, I'm going to click do not exit this position, but that's actually counterintuitive as to how you should answer these questions. If you're long this market and you turn automation back on, maybe you lost internet or you changed the setting, you want to click on exit this position. This is not saying exit this position right now at the market. It's saying exit this position based on the automation signal. And so you can read that the strategy on the following charts was recalculated and historical position exists. Please confirm that your position in the real world matches the position in the chart. If the position matches, you should choose to allow the position to be exited by the strategy. If the position does not match, you should choose to not allow the strategy to exit the position. So we click on, exit this position, because in this case we're long and we wanted to exit the position based on automation. Now, if you were in this strategy and you said, you know what, I'm not in this position or exit this position, and I don't want to automate this signal, but I want to automate the next signal. So you turn on automation and you don't have a position in the market and you don't want to trade this current trade, but you want to trade the next trade. You would select do not exit this position. So in this case, we say exit this position, and then it's turned on and it will exit the position correctly. So I wanted to go over that. It can be counterintuitive. It can be tricky at first when you first see that. It can be the opposite of what you would expect. And so let me know if you have any questions on that, because it's important to be able to answer those questions properly. And many times you'll get that question after you lose internet and it comes back on. So again, that's how you set up automation for any strategy in Tradestation.